Never let me close your eyes. Only got one night. Just put your
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. So for today, for Halloween, we're about to do bloody drinks. We're going to entertain our friends and have our drinks oozy goozy. Oh yeah, that's my dinner. Sorry guys, I was hungry. I'm about to turn up. We're about to do some bloody drinks. So first you're going to add Sprite. Before that was Sprite. And then I add orange juice with a little bit of Amaretto spritzer. So that's club soda, orange juice, and a little bit of spritzer. And there on the side is what we're going to use to make the blood. So we'll have our drinks. I know this is really corny. Sorry. But it's really fun. Your guests are going to love this stuff. Okay? They're going to have blood. It's going to look like blood. And we're going to use vodka to make it very strong. So they're about to be so excited. And to add a little bit of excitement, I got vampire ice cubes to my drink. Give it, a little pop. So those are vampire ice cubes that I'm dipping into my drink for my guest that I pre-made. The ice cube takes about 1 to 3 hours to form. And I'm popping my drink. And I'm stirring it a little bit. I don't know if you saw that, but it is stirring right now. That's when I'm stirring and I'm looking around. Oh, that's the vodka I used. I actually used Amsterdam vodka. Okay, so this is where I added a little bit of the strawberry blood. And as you can see, you can use raspberry or you just use strawberry like what you make pina coladas with or daiquiris. You could pop that in. And it's so cool if you have something like this that your guests can like squeeze the blood into their drink. That's so exciting.
So I wanted to show
put
you
that
guys
in the drink and everybody love it.
But I had the drink already. It was so good.
Listen, you guys really have to make this for Halloween tomorrow. If you don't, I don't know, your guests are gonna be highly disappointed. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. I try to do these recipes all the time because I love entertaining my guests. So tune into my channel, write a little review. Let me know how your drink came out and what did you use for blood. Like, I tried to use raspberry, but then I kind of got cheap on it. And I was like, I have strawberry mix. That's kind of blood looking. And I just put that in my drink, okay? So write your reviews, write your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.